A warm welcome to all you wonderful people tuning into VitalGlow Life. I'm your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier, more radiant you. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best in wellness and beauty tips. And today, we're focusing on something that many of us struggle with: acne. We'll be exploring some effective home remedies to help you banish those pesky blemishes for good. Stay tuned till the end to discover simple and effective remedies to keep your skin clear and glowing. Before we dive into the remedies, it's essential to understand what acne is and what causes it. So, what is acne? In simple terms, it's a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. This often results in whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples, which can appear on the face, forehead, chest, upper back, and shoulders. Now, why is acne such a common problem, particularly among teenagers? Well, during puberty, the body undergoes hormonal changes. This leads to increased production of sebum, an oily substance that can clog pores when produced in excess. Moreover, factors like stress, diet, and certain medications can also contribute to acne. But remember, acne is not just a teenage issue. It can affect people of all ages. It's not a reflection of your hygiene or diet, but rather a complex interplay of various factors. Now that we have a basic understanding of acne, we can move on to the solutions. Our first home remedy is a honey and turmeric mask. Both these ingredients are packed with amazing benefits for your skin. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture from the air into your skin and ensures it's retained in the layers where it's needed most. It's also full of antioxidants that slow down aging and boost your skin's radiant glow. On the other hand, we have turmeric, the golden spice that's been a skincare secret in India for centuries. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help reduce redness from blemishes and calm skin conditions like eczema and rosacea. It's even known to help fade acne scars. Now let's get down to making this skin-loving mask. You'll need 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix these 2 ingredients in a bowl until they form a paste. Make sure your face is clean and dry before you apply the mask. Using your fingers or a brush, spread the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Let the mask sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's time to rinse, use lukewarm water and gently wash off the mask. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and voila, you're all done. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to home remedies. Make sure to use this mask regularly for the best results. The next remedy involves the healing powers of aloe vera and tea tree oil. Aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, is a fantastic ingredient for acne-prone skin. It's loaded with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and it's highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin. When applied on the skin, aloe vera gel can help reduce inflammation and calm your skin, making it a much-needed relief for acne-prone skin. On the other hand, we have tea tree oil. This essential oil is a popular choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It's thought to calm redness, swelling, and inflammation. It may even help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smooth, clear skin. Now let's talk about how we can marry these 2 ingredients to create a potent acne treatment. First, you'll need to get some pure aloe vera gel and tea tree oil. Combine 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Mix them well. You can then apply this mixture directly to your acne. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Repeat this process daily for the best results. Remember to perform a patch test before applying these ingredients to your face, as some people might be allergic to them. Like the first remedy, regular use of this treatment will help you see significant improvements in your skin. Our final remedy isn't a topical treatment, but it's just as important: maintaining a healthy diet and staying hydrated. You see, our skin, the largest organ in our body, is a reflection of our overall health. To keep it in its best condition, we need to nourish it from the inside out. That begins with a balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These are the cornerstones of a skin-friendly diet. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants which help combat skin-damaging free radicals. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, and tofu provide the essential amino acids our skin needs to regenerate and repair. Whole grains offer a steady supply of energy, keeping our skin cells active and vibrant. And healthy fats, particularly those from avocados, nuts, and seeds, keep our skin moisturized and supple. But what about hydration? Well, water is crucial for flushing out toxins, maintaining skin elasticity, and promoting a clear complexion. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. As for foods to avoid, steer clear of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive dairy. These can trigger inflammation and exacerbate acne. Remember, what you put inside your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. And that wraps up our discussion on home remedies for acne. We've explored the magic of a honey and turmeric mask, the soothing effects of aloe vera, combined with tea tree oil, and last but not least, the fundamental role of a healthy diet and keeping yourself hydrated. These remedies, while simple, can be incredibly effective when used consistently. They are nature's gift to us, loaded with benefits and free from harmful chemicals. So why not give them a try? And when you do, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your journey in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that is tailored for your needs. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life. Don't forget to check out the description box for Ayurvedic acne control products. Thanks for watching, and remember, the secret to glowing skin is as much about what you put in your body as what you put on it.